Good afternoon. Here at the cottage. This is the first visit after the winter. We weren't able to come during the winter because it's rather harsh down where I live, and we knew that there would be a lot more snow here. So there's still quite a bit of snow. There was hardly any on my way up, but as you drove into the road that leads to the cottage, it just there was just more snow. So the lake, as you can see, is still covered with snow. Last year when we came around this time, the lake was already pretty thawed. I can see a bit along there that along the shore that it's melted. So we had another pipe burst over the winter. Very, very distraught about that. So I've got a plumber coming in tomorrow. The playhouse has held up quite nicely. I really don't like to see all the cleanup this time of the year. It's a little discouraging. However, it is what it is. So we'll all be coming up next week. It's going to be up in the 20s Celsius this coming week. I did get some progressive glasses, and I'm not liking the way, I'm still getting used to them, and I'm not liking the way it distorts things. So I may just, when I'm out here working, I just may use the other glasses. Yeah, because everything just looks concave to me, and that can be dangerous, especially on the grounds, as there's really nothing level. I don't see any ski tracks or anything on the lake. Last year at this time there was quite a bit. But over there where I have my car, I had to drive in through that, and I wasn't wearing boots, so I've got soaked socks. I am so excited to be here. All of this will be gone by next week. It's going to go up into the 20s. We're going to come and work on the bunkie and get it all erected. I've got someone coming in in 2 weeks to measure the roof so they can get that up. So I'm really excited about that. So that pile over there and that one will be gone, thank goodness. The pile beside the table, we're going to use that to insulate the roof of the bunkie and the floor, and the rest is going to be used to insulate the inside portion of the boat storage that we're going to do underneath the cottage. We're going to remove all the building material that's there. Actually, I should make my way down. lots of broken branches everywhere. I haven't seen any fallen trees thus far, but I haven't really looked carefully. So, like, this is the job that's been done here. And over here where the like this is all moving and rubbing, like that's dropped about 1.5 inches there. Wow. Over here as well. Yeah, look at that there and that. It's just outrageous. And like this is all rubbing. I'm not moving. I'm not gonna go there. But I'm going to try and get the little wall up along this way here so that I can get this garden, I'm hoping, this spring. Yeah. It would be nice to get it done. This is the 3rd spring we'll be here, and I would really like to get it up and going. This is probably going to be 4 high, maybe even 5. Oh boy. Okay. Well, it is what it is. We just have to do the best we can. And I'm anxious to see the bunkie. Ah. Whoop. So we'll be finishing it off next week. It's held up pretty well. I'm so pleased about that. So you can see the shore there. It's got a little bit of thaw. This plywood is going to be used to just continue to close off underneath the cottage. We'll do a good 2/3 this year, and then if we can, I'd like to get the whole thing done, but we have to put one window here, one window there, and then a door, and that's not to height. So we have to get a custom-made door or then trim one down. That's not going to be heated in the winter, but I'd like something that will protect. That will give us a little bit of protection. So there's all of these lines here. I'm not sure why. If something was dragged. And there is this here. So I am hoping it's nothing drastic. I hope we don't have any further issues with water. I hope it's just the pipe that burst, which I can't access because it's in there in the part that we closed off. So I don't know I think this is where the water came out. Elizabeth was saying that this was all flooded when they came up. So I hope that that's the only issue. That tree stump is still there, unfortunately. So there's lots of cleanup, but nothing like last year. There's just little branches here and there. A nice quick rake will be fine. So far so good. I don't see